Ah, why do flies think they're invited to every meal? Did they get an email, a VIP pass? No, but don't worry. Today, I'm revealing the secret to keeping these tiny wing monsters away. Peppermint oil. Flies hate peppermint oil. It's like kryptonite to Superman, but for flies. And the best part? It makes your space smell like a breath of fresh minty heaven. Method 1. Using peppermint spray. Mix water and peppermint oil in a spray bottle, then spray it dramatically like a perfume commercial. Simply mix 10 drops of peppermint oil with water, give it a shake, and boom, instant fly repelling power. Spritz it around your food area, and flies will say, "Nope, I'm out." Method 2. Peppermint cotton ball hack. Put some peppermint oil on a cotton ball, place it in a dish, and set it near your food. Instant fly barrier, and your table now smells like a spa. Before peppermint oil, chaos, fear, and unwanted fly guests. After peppermint oil, calm, happiness, and zero fly drama. We love to see it. So there you have it, folks. No more gross flies, no more unwanted germ parties, just you, your food, and the sweet victory of minty fresh peace. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more pest-busting hacks.